Here's my bread proofing basket kit. Let's check out what we got inside here. I have a bread dough sling to put in my pot when I have the dough ready to go. And we got some tools here. A little brush. Here is my scoring tool. A spatula. Here is the brush to clean the baskets. Here is my dough proofing jar. Glass, wonderful. I have two baskets, a round and an oval with the covers, the cloth covers. A sourdough recipe book, a dough cutter and scraper, a nice dough mixer with a wooden handle, and a heavy-duty steel scraper with a wooden handle. This kit is amazing. I love all the tools I have here more, and I just have everything I need to make a wonderful sourdough bread and look like a pro while I'm doing it. Thank you very much to the brand for sending me this wonderful kit. I'm so excited to be able to use this in all of my sourdough making. I've been making sourdough bread for a year now, and I haven't been using all of these tools, so I'm so happy to have received these tools in order to make sourdough bread even more fun and exciting and look like a pro.